Good morning, students. I hope you have written the question answers which I have given in the last in the form of the PDF. So I think you must have written that question answers because that question answers are very important because that are being based on the basis of the diagram. So today we will do the revision of the epithelial tissue because this topic is very new for you. So I think that it should revised again and again. So I suggest you that at least once you revise at home also. So animal tissue is of four type. That is epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Among that the first is the epithelial tissue that we are studying now. So epithelial tissue is a fundamental animal tissue which forms a continuous sheet of closely packed cells that covers all external and internal surface of the animal body. So it means that it not only covers the body from the outside, rather it forms the inner lining of the organs also. So as it protects the body, so there is no intercellular spaces, or we can say that the intercellular spaces are nearly absent, and the cells are tightly held together by various types of junctions, and small amount of cementing material are present in between the cells. Now epithelium rests over an extracellular layer known as the basement membrane, which connect the epithelial tissue to the underlying connective tissue. Or we can say that this basement membrane is a layer which connect the epithelial tissue to the underlying connective tissue. Now types of epithelia. Epithelium is based, or we can say that the epithelium is categorized on the basis of arrangement of layer, cell shape and cell functions, what the function they perform. First one is arrangement of layer. So on the basis of arrangement of layer, it is of two type. I think you must be remembering, that is simple epithelium and stratified or compound epithelium. Simple epithelium means the tissue is made up of single layer of cell, whereas stratified or compound epithelium means it is made up of more than one layer of cell. Now on the basis of cell shape, it is of three types, that is squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium and columnar epithelium. First one is squamous epithelium. I think you have drawn this diagram and written the function also, because I have given you homework in that video in which I have taught you this. So this is the shape of the squamous epithelium. Just see, this is the basement membrane, and you will find that these cells are fixed together like the tiles fixed on the floor. So no intercellular space is present, and this is the basement membrane that connect the upper epithelial tissue with the lower connective tissue. Now function of that, it is it is present in the skin to protect the body. It is present in the kidney for the ultrafiltration, and it helps to exchange the gases. Next is cuboidal epithelium. As the name suggests, the shape of the cell is cube-like. See here, the cube-like shape is there. This cube-like shape is there, and as already I have taught you that this epithelial tissue contain the basement membrane. Means whatever the epithelial tissue is there, that contain the basement membrane. So here it is the basement membrane, cube-like cell is there, and nucleus is present. Now function is secretion, excretion and absorption. It forms the gamete and protect the body. Now columnar epithelium. As the name suggests, the column-like structure is there, and it helps in the absorptions, mucus secretion or protection. But one thing is there, when this columnar epithelium contain the hair-like structure that is visible in your book, then it is known as the ciliated columnar epithelium. And this ciliated columnar epithelium helps to push the mucus. Now, beside this, on the basis of the function, glandular epithelium is there. Means that is having the glandular secretion. So epithelial cell often acquire additional specialization as gland cells, which can secrete substances at the epithelial surface. Sometimes a portion of the epithelial tissue folds inward and a multicellular gland is formed, which is known as the glandular epithelium. So I think today you must have understood this topic, that is epithelial tissue. And if you are unable to understand or if any doubt is there, you can ask through the campus care. But children, I suggest you that go through the book every day, because these topics are very new for you. So go through the topic and learn it parallelly. And today's homework is to draw the diagram of each and every types of the epithelial tissue and write the function also. Thank you.